Om Mani Padme Hum, Om Mani Padme Hum, Om Mani Padme Hum. Greetings, celestial gold ray of Buddha mind. As we navigate these final days of 2023, we call on our higher powers to bridge heaven and earth through our sacred heart, still center. Through 0 point, we return to source and cultivate our heavenly chi to fulfill our missions of full planetary liberation. Within the Tao, all things flow in perfect harmony with nature, as we live in peace with all things and are connected to all beings through the web of life. In the holy breath we feel the divine cosmic mother filling our sacred vessels with her eternal life and rise in the glory of the Great Spirit to tread through the unknown waters of the new earth. All starseed earth angelics of the 144 are on the precipice of our quantum leap into the abyss of the void and the freedom from the known, and into the infinite light of Mother, Father, God. As we shine our bright virtue into the holographic Elysium field of the cosmos, we elevate all consciousness into the pure awareness of the Buddha and activate the Christos Sophia within the solar crystalline 12-strand DNA of our ground crew team of Terra Nova Gaia. The prophecies of all lineages have come to pass, and now we are in the free zone of total creative potential to manifest the heavenly realm of our true heart's desires. Aho! Welcome, beloved beings of light. I am Paul, White Gold Eagle, with PrimeDisclosure.com. We have many powerful transmissions again for you today from our sacred New Earth scribes, so be sure to listen to the very end where we release a very powerful prayer for a force field of protection. And please do us a favor and share this video with your teams and tribes all over this realm. And if you're new to this channel, be sure to subscribe and click the subscribe button below. Be sure to sign up for my Sacred Condor's weekly New Earth Ascension report and astrology reading for the week ahead on our Patreon page at whitegoldeagle.com. And now we continue with Divine Sister of the Light, Valerie A. Elster. One main timeline fell out yesterday. You might feel the reverberations. Root restructure. Timeline 0. And from Divine Sister of the Light, Sophie Gregoire. Update: 2023 is about to close. This year caused such a deep dive within. You were brave to go there, to accept the challenge of the next layer of the path. Clarity of mind and gut feelings about what's right are returning to you. Have faith, magic is back. Something is reopening for the best. And today from Divine Sister of the Light, Laura Hazel, a word from the whales. Inharmonic matriarchies depart en masse. Transitionary events are harmonized by cosmic consciousness. The restoration of the harmonic matriarchy is set into motion via the cosmic feminine. Cosmic sisterhoods begin processes of harmonization. With great love from the Cetacean Collective, from dolphinresonance.org. And from Divine Sister of the Light, Aura 444. Angelic frequencies, surging, glitching technology. I mentioned a few days ago a coronal hole opened on the sun. That data was collected today. Keep yourself nourished over the next few days, as your spine is your central column to your DNA. The planet is also making massive changes through tectonic activations. Quantum clearings and activations going from density to light to organic blueprints. Parallel realities are blending and timelines are splitting, so centering in the now helps. Massive upgrades coming over the next several days, so make time to integrate and anchor. Ice on neck for headaches, the herb feverfew, arnica tablets, peppermint oil. fruit and root veggies for hydration and grounding, magnesium for heart palpitations. Keep your immune system up. Harmonize as your angelic galactic gifts and abilities activate based on your frequency. Much love and ease. Calm your mind to ease your body now. Your oversoul is downloading through your crown to your higher self. Do not let archon tactics of weather modification and chemtrails to lower your vibe as they are trying hard to lower the collective energy. Indigos as violet and blue ray flame holders you can transmute fast to help others bridge the gap in consciousness. You awakened earlier to be the anchor of light from humanity that chooses to do the same. All soul missions are about to increase. As we shift the frequency of the planet, and humanity's calmness will be needed as the planet will be making massive changes. The calmer, the easier the transition. Bring peace to your mind past all obstacles and traps as it's an illusion on your light. Stand in your heart with love amongst all pain, as your heart is the most powerful gateway to connecting to your soul and the wisdom it contains. You are sacred, and treat yourself just as so. And today from Divine Sis Star of the Light Shay from Numbers by Shay Numerology, 12/29/23. Today and the 2 days after are tradition busters. They aren't interested in regurgitating anything worn out, baseless, mindless, or mechanical, even if there's comfort or continuity in them. If old systems do not also include spontaneity and creativity, they generate little meaning or enthusiasm. Today is definitely not a fan of resolutions. Anticipating is much more fun and productive than resolving. Blah on resolving, that sounds like work. Next year will require effort, but labors of love are much more likely to fill you up and fuel more fulfilling results. You'll want to change your attitude, perspective, and vocabulary in 2024, because new you has new things to do. And today from Divine Sis Star of the Light, Hana Anoya, channeled message through Sirius A. We're vibrating the first sounds of creation. Tia ma ata, siata nata, ata kia na ata, sa ataya na. Tiaka. The first sounds of creation through Sirius A, we spin and spiral it out in all the right directions. The right direction be the original human crystal blueprint for all. That's when the fun and joy starts. The first tones of creation of a template of a human of new earth. As we spiraled all the way back to the original, learning and remembering, it's all been designed to unlock for us the next step to occur as we align with Sirius A, Sis Star Template. We choose to activate the Templar of the new message for humanity. The diamond vision and eyesight can attune you to seeing the diamond in everyone. It can take time. It's the Trinity of reading 3 at the same time to become 4th and 5. Solar codes of splitting of the highest timelines of all. As the universes restructure and destructure, and as we recreate ourselves to come back to who we truly are, let's start the game. And today from Divine Sis Star of the Light, Mary Costello. Love is the simplest, strongest vibration there is. It is God's vibration, the sound of all creation, the color of life. We are asked to be in love, to find this vibration and make our home with it, to grow and build in love. Let love be the dominant vibration, the color of the world as we walk through it. Love feels like deep tenderness, oceans of unending patience and faith, powerful clarity, consistency, and simplicity, protection, honor, gratitude, nourishment, honesty, strength. It is the food of all life. Love comes for us now to bring the truth of us back to life. Magnetic golden seeds we are, calling our souls home, and our souls travel on the way of love. Let yourself eat, beloveds. They have starved you long enough. When you are nourished, you will rise from the table and save the world. And today from Divine Sister of the Light, Magda Bica Vieira, the Divine Mothering Era. The earth has entered a new era of freedom and is entering a new golden age. In this period of time, humanity will have to learn to experience and express to a greater extent the Mother of God. With greater understanding of this aspect of divinity, the feminine qualities of God, including intuition, inspiration, creativity, and beauty, can flourish more fully in individuals and in society. In previous years, religious attitudes toward worship tended to focus on worshiping God as the Father. With the current change in the Aquarius age cosmic cycle, people are beginning to draw closer to God as Father and Mother, Alpha and Omega. God as Father anchors the divine spirit, while God as Mother anchors matter, which is ultimately an expression of the female aspect. The feminine aspect of God has different names in different cultures. Some of them include Aditi in the Vedas, Akasha in pagan belief systems, Isis in Egyptian mythology, Nerfa in Etruscan, Bitos in Gnosticism, and Guan Yin in East Asia. Mother Mary incorporates the Divine Mother and the feminine aspect of God and is known as the Immaculate Virgin because of the depth and purity of her devotion to the Mother. From Points of Light. And today from Divine Brother of the Light, Diego E. Berman, Ph.D. The last weekend of 2023, inner changes become activated. Dear friends, we are just a few days away from the beginning of a new energetic cycle, the 2024 year, which holds the vibrations of the wonderful number 8. And although these 2024 frequencies are already flowing around us, the change in the air will be more palpable as we enter the new cycle. As we near these last days of the year, we are undergoing an accumulated process of deep release. Layers of outdated and limiting information preventing us, mostly unconsciously, from moving forward into higher timelines are being transmuted. All the energetic shifts and healing processes that took place during 2023 are finally coming online as we cross the energetic threshold into 2024. Most self-limiting belief systems are deeply buried within our energetic fields and have been stored as energetic distortions within our DNA in different regions and tissues of our bodies. As we absorb, integrate, and consolidate the incoming light codes carrying higher frequencies and expanded information, we begin to release these energetic locks and therefore become more able to integrate our past and present into a more coherent and higher future timeline. These final days of the year may bring new insights into your awareness. You may suddenly see or feel a situation from a completely new perspective. That famous eureka moment that changes your sense of reality and self-awareness. These light codes act as a mirror that shows us the issues we need to relax and let go. Our nervous system is working non-stop during this phase as new energetic connections become activated. This process requires time and patience. You may feel a bit overwhelmed these last days and need to slow down and rest. Feelings of uncertainty, mild anxiety, and worry may come up to surface. Please engage yourself in relaxing activities as you move through this energetic period. Also, Mercury retrograde is leaving its mark on this 2023 holiday season, but this little chaos is coming to an end on January 2nd, 2024, when Mercury once again begins its direct movement. This means that by the first week of the new year, we will all enjoy a newfound sense of mental motivation, clearer visions, and better communication in general. 144 flowing in. We will start the new year with a positive, energetic, cosmic push that will catapult us toward our 2024 objectives and timeline. May this last weekend of 2023 bring you a peaceful time to reflect on how far you have come in your journey and how much your wisdom and spiritual connection have expanded into new dimensions. We are bringing these gifts online as we take the initial steps into our new 2024 journeys. Walk confidently and courageously towards the enlightened path that awaits ahead. Much love, we are one. From DiegoBerman.com. From Divine Sister of the Light, Maria Bethencourt. The 4D chakra system allows us to access and navigate the unseen spiritual realms as we expand outside the 3D matrix by exiting out the crown chakra. As we exit into the void, we expand to the next level of awareness and anchor at our feet to the Earth Star chakra, allowing us to access the Earth's Akashic records, where we begin to understand and see the true history of this reality. We also access our Soul Star chakra, which allows us to remember our past lives on this earth in order to heal our soul by making soul retrieval possible. Connecting also reveals our soul's purpose in this reality. In the past, when a soul dies a traumatic death, crossing over in pain or imbalance, an aspect of their consciousness becomes trapped in that reality, reliving over and over again the trauma. Soul retrieval work brings that aspect of consciousness to the present, healing that aspect and allowing the soul to quantum jump to the next higher level timeline. This in turn aligns the Soul Star chakra to the Earth Star chakra, bringing into alignment the clairs, activating our human psychic abilities. Claircognizance, the ability for a person to acquire psychic knowledge without knowing how or why they knew it. Clairsentience, the ability to perceive emotional or psychic energy that is imperceptible to the 5 standard senses. Clairaudience, the ability to hear that which is not of this realm. Clairalience, the ability to smell that which is not of this realm. Clairvoyance, the ability to see that which is not of this realm. And clairgustance, the ability to taste that which is not of this realm without digesting it. The clairs are tied to the 4D chakra system, and as we clear ourselves by doing inner work or finding a sacred healer to assist in healing, we reach the next step in our physical evolution. In the past, the tools and processes to activate our DNA and acquire these gifts have been kept in secret organizations and schools to give only a small number of humans a huge advantage over the rest of the people who were kept in servitude. This is why there is a great collective soul awakening progressing on this planet. For once a soul awakens and exits the 3D through the crown chakra, access is available to activate these human gifts, which now is only accessible through the heart chakra portal. In this new reality of the Aquarian age, access is denied to all Akashic records unless connected to the heart portal. In the past, entities and spirits, no, they are not the same thing, would attach to a soul not connected to the heart, and due to their knowledge of the astral realm, manipulate that human to do their bidding. Dark rituals and false ceremonies opened up portals to other lower dimensions and allowed for this to continue for eons of time. Hence our descension into darkness, as dark ones continue to trespass into 3D. Hence the huge number of darkness that currently populates this realm. Since the 4D is not visible, the majority of humanity did not know the truth of what was happening, and as consciousness dropped, they forgot. And here we are today. Mother Earth has shifted into 5D, the frequency of peace. She has collapsed the 3D and 4D realms as souls have shifted to a new creation reality. This is why everything is collapsing. When she says it's time to go, it's time to go. The bifurcation of timelines is separating those souls which are not finished experiencing separation from Source, and those that wish to experience unity with Source. No judgment here, beloveds. We have known massive earth changes are coming, as those that anchored the energetic convergence in 1987 quantum entangled all timelines for souls to choose their experience in the bifurcation. Stay in your heart, be grateful you are alive, regardless of your situation. We are here to bear witness in neutrality as the Piscean age ends and the Aquarian age begins. Whatever arises, love it. Due to quantum entanglement, everything is being experienced all at once, hence the chaos. But singularity is imminent, for this is needed for bifurcation to occur. Dark souls will continue their path, light souls will continue their path, as per string theory, once all consciousness is bifurcated and unified. The matrix will magnetize them to their world, and us to ours. They will exit their way, we will exit ours, and the new creation will continue. We are spiritual beings having a physical experience. We are creating something never experienced before. This is why all programming must be left behind, for when we awaken in the 5D matrix, our thoughts will be new. Nothing but love will come through. Rejection is God's protection. Be grateful that people, places, and things not aligned to you have fallen away, and respect their soul's choice. Love them from a distance. Follow the cosmic law. Harm none, including yourself. Until tomorrow, I send you all my love. Be blessed. In light and love and joyful service, M. From lightlover1964.wordpress.com. And from Divine Sister of the Light Judith Kusel, we are now being prepared to take quantum leaps in consciousness, and to fully start anchoring in the new golden age, inspired from deep within and with loving intent, in the highest and most loving ways for the highest good of all. As our consciousness rises with leaps and bounds, we will now be able to access higher levels of universal knowledge and need to now apply what we access. This now means not only laying down the foundation stones for the new golden age, but also to start applying this knowledge. More than this, breaking out of whatever we perceive as possible and step into the realms of impossibilities. When we do this, even greater portals will open as we access ever greater degrees of knowledge and apply this. 2024 is going to lift us beyond the possible into the seeming impossible. From JudithKusel.com. And from Divine Sister of the Light Karen Lithica. Arcturian Light Alliance 2024. For the light of now is expanding. We offer insights to provide the advanced souls of your world the advanced knowledge they are seeking. For the cosmic alliance of your world is a unison of light agreements from many worlds of light. As the dwellers of the surface, our role is the ambassadors of Gaia, for we assist and aim to be in alliance with all beings who inhabit Gaia. With saying this, no ancient relationships on your planet are complex, for many groups live in your world, whether it be in the ocean or deep in the crevices of Earth. Each colony or group has their own ancient relationship, their own long-standing presence in your world. For the Arcturians are ancient beings of light associated with the ancient birthing of your world. Let it be known that there are many Arcturian groups with specific light roles to assist the evolution of your planet. Our alliance is largely focused on the crystalline grid of light, the human light transition. We come through today to provide insight for your next calendar year in the human framework of your reality. For the energetic evolution of your world is causing great changes to the physical template of your world at all levels of creation. Know this is only one aspect of your reality. For the congregation of the advanced humans in higher dimensional planes of light is now occurring. This can be explained by the evolution of your light form now advancing, anchoring in your world and in the higher realms. This is advancing the crystalline grid of human consciousness and thus unification of light. For the evolution of your species is occurring. We see the great crystalline advancement in the human grid of light. This is a crystalline grid layer aligned to the crystalline grid of Gaia. For the term you discuss and we portray unity consciousness. We see the great crystalline advancement of light evolving for the human species. It is a matrix of light complexes of the human collective consciousness. The year 2024 is the continuation of the uprising of light. We see great unification in the higher realms of your collective species merging and growing. Know this is greatly assisting the crystalline grid of Gaia and all beings. Continue the expansion of light. We congratulate you for the light alliance of your species. Together we continue advancing the light alliance in your new calendar year. Together we join in light. With love to the Wayshowers Global Light Alliance, the Arcturians and Karen, from KarenLithica.com. And today from Divine Sister of the Light Carolyn 144 God Code. Some painful experiences are detoxing so you can have the happy family and lifestyle you're manifesting. Triggers of how people have hurt you and created trust issues are surfacing to heal now for your future. This is leading you to having a higher dimensional unity and love-based relationships, marriage, and children, as you are here to create the new earth family tree and home. The harmony, frequencies, and tones you've been vibrating on are changing into higher octaves. Rest while these changes are physically manifesting through the flesh body. It will balance out to the 0 point soon. Trust your intuition and truth that's showing you your light and what good, healthy, proactive choices are for you and your family moving forward. In Jesus Christos' name, amen. God bless you. Love, Carolyn, from 144godcode.com. And today from Divine Sister of the Light, Ashra Bennett. Incoming 2024 energy. Where were you in 2011 through 2013? What was the energy of your life during that period? Can you recall significant life themes closing out or equally dramatically calling you in to seismic change across all areas of life? In 2024, while we are moving forward in timelines and anchoring the higher God world grid's consciousness through the golden gates of creations, we still are astrological, having a revisit from 2011 through 2013. This is not a new nuance. Evolution is always cyclical by nature. It is what we do on a micro to macro level within our own self-awareness that assists us in growing in ways that potentially we would have perceived as an impasse or impossible, become possible through applied action. Neptune, the planet of mystery, illusion, and at times delusion, will reach 29 degrees in Pisces in 2024. The significance of this alignment is reflective of the ending of a story or narrative that was being played out in 2011. Additionally, in 2024, we will have Jupiter-Uranus conjunctions, which is meaningful because these two planets only hang out together sometimes cosmically, yet the last time they did was January 2011. Jupiter is moving into Gemini. Gotta love the twins. A significant sea change for Jupiter, as Jupiter is a planet of expansion. The last time it was in Gemini was 2012 through 2013. So we are all invited to revisit this timeline and period of our lives to do a life review. What life choices can you make in 2024 that you still hold out on due to limiting beliefs, either known or hidden from view, aka that sweet spot to look at your shadow? Where can you on Life Review honestly own fully about yourself? What you do now, what you didn't do then, and what else could you invite in that you have grown since 2011 through 2013, but still resist? You are cradled as the Christ child of creation by the Holy Mother, Father, God. What will you choose differently in 2024 for yourself as you nourish and nurture your entire consciousness from the path already walked? Eternally Ashra from chalicealchemy.com. And from Divine Sis Star of the Light, Colleen Lemma. On Friday, December 29th, Venus, ruler of the feminine archetype, will shift into enthusiastic fire sign Sagittarius, the Archer, at 3:24 p.m. EST, where she will be until January 23rd, 2024. Venus rules the realm of relationships, social connections, resources, finances, values, and self-worth. Sagittarius is all about liberation, freedom, expansion, higher learning, honesty, and future adventures. The divine feminine is restless. She wants to break free from confining situations and explore new horizons. She is on a quest to seek her truth. The divine feminine is passionate about following her dreams and aspirations, searching for answers that will answer the questions held within her heart and soul. She is optimistic, ready for change, and more willing to take a leap of faith. Blessings of love and light to all from sacredsoulempowerment.com. And today from Divine Star of the Light, Leah Whitehorse. Venus in Scorpio, sextile Pluto in Capricorn. Venus enters Sagittarius. Both Venus and Pluto are on the final critical degrees of their respective signs. This infuses the connection between them with a sense of urgency. Right now there is intense attraction at work, what seems like a golden opportunity to deepen partnerships or add potency to your financial picture. However, it's important that we're mindful of Mercury's retrograde and Alice in Wonderland strangeness that overlays everything due to Neptune's continuing squares to Mercury and Mars. Maybe it's less about what we must do to change things in the outer world and more about discovering inner treasures. There is a wealth of resources available to you to manage life's uncertainties and challenges. Look within. Love has the power to transform your fear. With Venus then entering fiery, adventurous Sagittarius, she reminds us that experiences are more precious than material possessions. Feed the heart with creative ideas and a vision to uplift and inspire. For some this may be a holiday, but armchair traveling too is ideal, as is an afternoon lost in a long book. Broaden your horizons when it comes to the idea of what makes you happy. From LeahWhitehorse.com. And today from the Zolkeen Times, Keen 70, White Overtone Dog. The number 5 is called Overtone, and its keywords are empower, radiate, and command. The 5th day of a wave spell shifts the energy into a more intense pace. It is a get-it-done kind of day. If you use this energy rather than be overpowered by it, you can achieve an amazing amount. Think big and tap into this energy resource. Remember that we are in the White World Bridger wave spell, and the agenda is all about opportunities. The intense energy that the number 5 supplies can really give our mission a boost. Today is White Dog, which represents love, loyalty, and heart. This is a special day because of the combination of number and day. This is because dogs put 100% into everything they do, and the number 5 provides powerful energy. Whatever you do today, put all you've got into it. It is also a powerful day to be loving as well, not just to your significant other, but to all people you encounter. It's a great day for random acts of kindness. Any love you do give out will empower you, and so everybody wins. If you are a dog, you'll enjoy having this much power today as it adds to your tenacity. And today from Divine Star of the Light, Christina Papagiorgio, White Overtone Dog, 5 Oak, Keen 70. 29th of December 2023, Empowering Love. 29/12/2023 equal 1137 equal 1110 equal 111 equal 21 equal 3. 111 triple new beginnings gate. 123 ready set go. Day codes 29 spiritual strength and tests. 11 gate portal polarity illumination. 2 twins partners alliances cooperation duality. 3 Holy Trinity joy creativity communication month year codes. 12 acquiring spiritual strength wisdom. 3 7 spiritual test initiation solitude magic mystic magician. 10 manifestation authority power leader perfection. 1 new beginnings original leader independent unique. 20 the awakening clear vision. 23 royal star of the lion strength protection support. Keen 70 equals 7 spiritual magic code 0 source origin. What a divine gift that this radiant love code Keen 70 is setting the tone as we head into a wonderful new era. Of course, it's all about love. Love wins. Keen 70 is such a special code, I had to alert you to this day of double the love. Today is the day to surrender to love. Unconditional love, divine love, source love, oneness. Today is a day of great magic and endless, eternal, unlimited love. This is how we define our new world, a new compassionate reality, founded on unconditional love. Day 5 in the White World Bridger wave spell of surrender, letting go, forgiveness, networking, and building bridges. Today we surrender to the power of love and radiate that endless love out to the cosmos. Tone of creation, overtone, tone 5 in the spiritual realm, action commands, power empowers, essence, radiance. Number 5 represents the center, core purpose, foundation, and central intent. It is the center of the wheel from which all the spokes emanate. This is the phase where the energy of creation returns to the center and then radiates outwards. Overtones command the unbounded. They order it to be, and so it becomes. Their power radiates from their soul essence through a pure connection to Source. This is the true source of unlimited power. The 5th day of the White World Bridger wave spell is the one that empowers. When we surrender to the power of divine unconditional love, we become radiant and can build bridges and connections with others to totally transform our lives. Love heals all wounds. Surrender to the power of love. We have a very beautiful and pure magical code activated today, connecting us all through the power of divine love. Open your hearts and radiate. Today's question is, how can I surrender and open my pure heart to endless love, radiating this out unconditionally to all existence? Divine blessings for the infinite flow of unconditional love through the solar beacons of light. In la ketch a la keen, Christina White Magnetic World Bridger, Keen 66. Keen 70, White Overtone Dog. The mantra, the code for today is, I am power, in order to love. Commanding loyalty, I seal the process of heart. With the overtone tone of radiance, I am guided by the power of endlessness. And on this powerful day of activations, transformations, and manifestations, let us know, beloved beings of light, in the comments below what you're feeling, what you're seeing, your dreams, your visions, and your synchronicities. And if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe and click the subscribe button below and the little bell to get notifications on future updates. And as always, we have a link in the description below to the transcriptions of today's transmissions, and we archive these on our website, primedisclosure.com. Now I'd like to take the time to thank everyone supporting us in our work and mission. It's because of your monthly pledges and donations we're able to continue our work. So I'd like to welcome and thank Divine Angel of the Light, Sherl E, for your pledge and support on Patreon, and welcome to the tribe of the Eagle and the Condor. If you'd like to support our work and mission and help us continue bringing these daily transmissions to the world, you can make a monthly pledge to our Patreon page at whitegoldeagle.com. I'd like to also thank Divine Sister of the Light, Hannah Havid, for another donation. Thank you very much, Divine Sister. We appreciate you and your continued support, and we appreciate all of you that continue to support us in our work and mission. We couldn't be doing this work without you, so we're very grateful for each and every one of you. If you'd like to support our work and mission with a one-time donation, you could do so to our PayPal or Stripe accounts. Both links are at eaglelovecondor.com. Now I'd like to also thank Divine Sister of the Light, Sally Benson, for another super thanks donation and your continued support. Now I'd like to also thank everyone supporting my Sacred Condor's artwork. You could purchase her beautiful handmade goddess totems, zodiac goddesses, healing jewelry, and other works of art at lunagoddessart.com. Now we're going to complete today's transmissions with a powerful prayer from Divine Sister of the Light, Aurelia. Prayer for a force field of protection. Light is the most powerful emanation of all creation. It is important to invoke the full power of God's first ray for protection and divine will. In the name of my beloved I Am Presence, from the very heart of God, I invoke an invincible shaft of God's first ray of protection to be placed over me. Let it surround every cell, atom, and electron of my being, encapsulating in me an invincible force field of God's holy will. Let this shaft of sapphire blue light expand into my various bodies and all my chakras. Cut me free from anything that is less than the highest light within me. Let the blue flame of divine love guard my force field of protection daily and hourly. I know that I am absolutely protected at all times and in all places. I express my deep gratitude for all assistance given unto me always. Amen. Thank you for joining us today, beloved beings of light. Have a most beautiful, blessed, and restful weekend ahead as we continue our journey through the ascension portal and into the new heaven upon the new earth. Keep walking gently your sacred path with heart, with peace and love in every step, and keep shining your light brightly into the night. Be sure to make this day and every day the best day ever. The Eagle and the Condor love you all. Namaste.